Hello, Oral Presentation English Level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Talk about my 3 experience in Darien. 3. The weather in Darien. 4. Recommendation if you go to Darien. My name is John Eric Obando Ramirez. I live in City, Guadalajara de Buga. I work in development, support the software of City Palmira. I'm free in time video game, visiting family. It was a movie anime. Next activity. One, going on 3. In August, in the opportunity, the visit Darien Valle del Cauca, which is an hour away from the city Guadalajara de Buga, where they were known for Lake Calima. Saint many sports were participated in. It is very tourist place at that time. In the summer holiday, it is small but very cozy. Place in climate is cold, but it a favorite place for tourists. And me the source of all the of virtual health and be of the culture of where they going to the archaeological muse of coal is the Great Lake and power plant. Step 2. What the weather like? In Darien is the common the use of leaf coating made in materials such as cotton with coal to stay cool and comfortable. In temperature of cool climate, the use of armor that protect the skin from contact with cold are the traditional. Their woolen fabric, the coats are generally used every year. This beautiful municipal celebrate the department contest the Marita Pan, Canastero Calima y the Colombia Music Festival in March 18. 5 May Festival de Return en agosto y de Champion de Saibal. Kitesurf, Windsurf, Amin Day. The Calima Archaeological Museum. In Paris of Our Lady, the period Socorro with Quiteña culture is focused in world. Step 3. Job of keep your passport. To the place of destiny, they show the go 3. They show learn about the culture, thus the gastronomy of the place. Go to the tourist city in the half the go time the take advance of the language. In the towns the hour to have the good commentary of the place. When go to certain destination, you must back in the a place as different brief in culture, where south be very careful about the warning in precaution to make the trip an experience of the best quality. Thank you.